Namaste, Johar. I am Umesh Kumar Jha and you are watching Jharkhand Live. And I have brought some new news of Jharkhand for you. So stay with me till the end of the video and see full report. The first news is about the launch of Vande Bharat train in Jharkhand. Jharkhand is going to get the big gift of Vande Bharat train. It is being told that Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself will inaugurate it by showing the green flag. Now the big question is, when will the train operation start? Till now there is no official statement from the railways regarding this, but work is going on and soon railway will announce the date. MP Sanjay told that after meeting with senior railway official in Delhi that Vande Bharat Express will start operating from Hatia to Patna within a month and Ranchi to Kolkata Vande Bharat Express will start within 3 to 4 months. Also said that Vande Bharat Express will be inaugurated by Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Prime Minister's visit to Jharkhand will be a matter of pride for all of us. During the meeting with the railway officials, the MP has proposed that the departure time of the train from Patna to Hatia should be fixed at 6:55 am and the time of departure from Hatia to Patna via Hazaribagh Kodarma should be fixed at 5 pm. Vande Bharat is the finest running train. This train can catch a speed of 100 km per hour in just 52 seconds. The train is fully air conditioned. The train has automatic doors which make it more high-tech. The train has a comfortable chair to sit on which can rotate. Vande Bharat train has GPS-based information system, CCTV and vacuum toilet which differentiates it from other trains. Next news is about the new Sadar Hospital building of Ranchi. After 14 years of exile, the new building of Sadar Hospital started. There was not even a single operation theatre in the old building, but only 2 months after the inauguration of the new building, 2 out of 7 operation theatres were started from Thursday. On the first day, Surgeon Dr. Ajit Kumar successfully performed a gallbladder stone operation on a woman by laparoscopic method. Dr. Ajit told that the woman is a resident of Dhurwa. By biological method, stones were removed by making small holes in the gallbladder without making any incision in the body. There were 3 stones in the pouch, 2 were 1.5 cm in size and 1 was 2.5 cm in size. Dr. Ajit said that with the commissioning of module operation theatre in Sadar Hospital, patient will get a lot of benefits. Let me tell you, both operation theatres have been started for general surgery or ortho surgery. On Thursday, apart from Dhur's patient, 2 surgeries were also performed. Doctor told that it was difficult to do surgery by relying on only one operation theatre. Even the patient eligible for surgery was forced to give appointment after a week. In this wait, more than 20 patients are waiting for laser and laparoscopic surgery, while more than 2 dozen patients are waiting for ortho and eye. On Friday, 3 to 4 surgeries will be performed by the surgery department in the new operation theatre of Sadar Hospital, Jharkhand, Ranchi. The next news is about the dependents of the victims of Maoist and extremist violence. Dependents of common people of the state killed in Maoist and extremist violence will now have to apply for government job within the stipulated time. Except in special circumstances, if they do not apply within 3 years, they will not get the job. In view of the delay in getting the job, the Home Department has prepared this proposal. Now it will be sent to the cabinet. The new system will come into force after getting the approval of the cabinet. Actually, there is no deadline fixed for this yet. In such a situation, the dependents of the deceased give applications even after 8 to 10 years. Since the job is given on the condition that he will maintain the dependent family, because at that time the family is in dire need of financial support. Getting a job after a long time does not serve this purpose. That's why the department has decided to change the conditions so that the victim's family can be saved from financial misery. It is proposed to give joint responsibility to the concerned police station in charge and circle officer to ensure that the dependents of the victim's family gets a job on time. They will have to take job applications from the victim's family within the stipulated time limit. If you are not interested in the job, you will also have to take a relocation application. Then they will give their recommendation through SP to the concerned DC along with FIR, police investigation report and other necessary documents. Now I will tell you why the victim's families delay in giving the application for government job. First is, if the children of the deceased and minor at the time of the incident, then the victim's family waits for them to become major, because most family people want to give jobs to their children only. Due to this, they delay in submitting the application. However, according to the rule, apart from children, wife, brother, extra, many people can come in the category of dependents. Second, 24 such dependents have applied for jobs in the state, who were minors at the time of incident. The victim's family waited for 8 to 10 years for him to attain majority. After becoming an adult, he applied for a job while the family needed it the most when the incident happened. The matter is being reviewed in view of the delay in getting jobs to the dependents of those killed in extremist violence, said Vandana Dadel, Principal Secretary, Home Department. The department is trying not to delay it, therefore efforts are being made to find a solution by reviewing it. The next news is about admission for 998 seats in School of Excellence. The admission process has started in 5 schools of excellence in Ranchi district. DSE office has received the application from. There are a total of 998 seats in the 5 schools where admission will be taken. These seats are in the class 6 to 11th. CBSE pattern will be taught in these schools. Education will be through English medium. According to the notification issued by the DSE office, students will have to submit the same application to the school in which they want to take admission. The last date for submission of application is 15 May. Applications submitted after this date will not be accepted. Admission of children will be done on the basis of written test. This exam will be held at the school level. On the basis of those results, the students will be selected. The district selection committee will have the right to amend any kind of process related to nomination, and the decision of the district selection committee in admission will be final. Let me tell you, TVS High School, Jagannathpur, Amar Saish Thakur Vishwanath Sahadev District School, Government Girls High School, Baryatu, Kasturba Gandhi Residential School, Namkum and Model School, Kanke, admission will be done in these 5 schools. According to the notification, TVS High School, Jagannathpur conducts classes from 6th to 11th. Arts studies take places here. Both girls and boys will be enrolled in this school. Whereas in district school Ranchi, only boys will be admitted. Here all the 3 subjects, arts, science and commerce, are taught at the inter level, and only girls will be admitted in Government Girls High School, Baryatu. Here also arts, science and commerce are taught in the intermediate level, whereas Model School Kanke will have admission for both girls and boys. There will be admission only at the intermediate level. Arts, science and commerce will be taught here. The next news is about Enforcement Directorate, ED's glorious century of action against the corruption. The anniversary of scams and corruption running in headlines in Jharkhand has been completed. Be it the Manrega scam or illegal mining or the long list of land scams, the Enforcement Directorate ED unearthed all them during 1 year. From IS officers, engineers, businessmen, big politicians, leaders and land brokers came under its influence. ED has completed a century of operations by raiding 101 locations. CI property worth Rs 157 crore including cash during 1 year, questioned about 36 influential people including the CM. More than 15 accused have been spent behind bars so far. The positive effect of ED's actions was that more than 100 people approached ED for justice. On the other hand, the officers and personnel involved in corruption are having sleepless nights due to the swift action taken by the ED. Has isolated himself from public life as the scope of investigation is increasing. New revelations are happening every day. The action started with the Manrega scam in Khuti. For the first time in May 6, 2022, the AD raided 25 locations of most powerful IS officer and the Mines Secretary Pooja Singhal and her close ones. The then Chief Engineer of the Rural Development Department Virender Ram was arrested. After this, JMM leader Pankaj Misra was arrested in illegal mining case. On the other hand, in the land scam, 7 land brokers including the revenue sub-inspector of Bargai Circle and former DC Chhavi Ranjan of Ranchi were sent to jail. The strings of this scam are getting connected with big politicians, bureaucrats. The heat of investigation of illegal mining has reached big politicians and top officials. On the other hand, there is a stir among the CEO, CI employees, some big businessmen and land brokers as soon as they get involved in the land scam. The purchase and sale of more than 1,000 acres of land has been done by tampering with the fake papers or paper. Jamabandi of 100 of acre of government's land has been stabilized. This game has been going on since the formation of the state. In this, some leaders, IAS, IPS, CO, CI, syndicate of land brokers have become owner of crores by working for years. Since the beginning of the ED investigation, the condition of the officers has become such that they are avoiding talking to anyone over the phone. People's work is not being done in the journal office. Officers and employees are also not available. The next news is about the weather of Jharkhand. The relief from the heat from the last few days and the coolness is the weather will be gradually end. The temperature will increase in many cities including Ranchi, Jamshedpur and other cities. The temperature around Ranchi can go up to 24 degrees Celsius today. This temperature is expected to increase further on May 6. According to the meteorological department, the temperature may increase by about 2 degrees, which means the maximum temperature can reach 36 degrees. A gradual increase in temperature can be recorded. The meteorological department has also given information regarding the lunar eclipse on 5 April, in which it has been told that the lunar eclipse will be visible from 8:42 to 1:03 on May 6. This lunar eclipse with a duration of about 4.5 hours is the first lunar eclipse of the year. That's all for now. We will meet you again with new news. Thank you for being with us. Keep watching Jharkhand Live for more news related to Jharkhand. Thank you.